Introducing the 2019 Volvo Xc90 D5 AWD Rdsn 8 5-door auto in stunning blue. This sleek estate vehicle is powered by a 2L diesel engine and features a luxurious interior with third-row seats, satellite navigation and Bluetooth phone connectivity. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, lane departure warning and collision avoidance braking. The chrome package, spoiler and roof rails add to the vehicle's stylish look. This Volvo XC90 has been meticulously maintained with a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for your peace of mind. Don't miss your chance to own this feature-packed vehicle. Call us today or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Experience the ultimate luxury and performance with the 2019 Volvo Xc90 D5 AWD Rdsn AT 5-door auto.